Hi there, my name is Adam Ellison. I'm the interaction designer on the Natural Resources Wales Hazardous Waste Discovery. We recently had our second show and tell, and I'll give you my top three highlights from that. If you want to see the full video with all the details, that will be available on the CDPS YouTube channel. So hopefully the link will be in the description, but please check that out for further information. My top three highlights: one, we shared our problem statement put together by the team that shows our direction of travel and how we're looking at the end-to-end service, trying to pinpoint how we can make that simpler and easier for users to interact with. We also shared our roadmap to break down how throughout the next few weeks, sprints, that we will be tackling that challenge. The second thing that we shared that I wanted to highlight was that we have conducted research with 3 users from big companies that handle hazardous waste, and we shared some of the things that we learned from those conversations. And the third thing is that we have begun the process of user journey mapping, and that's something that I have led the team through so that they can get their assumptions down and their understanding of the service and start to get them to look at it from the point of view of the user and what their goals would be in their lives. But yeah, that's my top 3 things from this latest show and tell. Please reach out to us if you want to find out more, and yeah, check out that full video for the details.